Okay, you want me to read this into the computer?
Yep.
I'm not reading this.
Why not? I'm paying you, aren't I?
Not enough. Okay, here we go. Do I really have to read that part?
Yes, you do.
Okay. Hello everybody. Welcome to another edition of video tutorials by Evil Child. This is Brian, his father.
Hey, show more feeling.
Okay. This is Brian, Evil Child's father. To begin, here we have a, what's that word? Never mind, I see it. Set that is shot in my bedroom. In my bed, in my
bedroom!
I got it. Okay.
Jeez.
As you can see, there's plenty of room in here to play around. It is shot entirely on a blue screen set with only props, a backdrop, and floor tiles. This next scene shows you that he has a lot of junk in his room. All this stuff requires a lot of work to move around, and you would never get it into the same place again if you were to do it manually inside the movie's video game. I'll show you how to, step by step, manipulate for a walk and talk listen scene. Here we have a couple walking and talking. We want to open Vincent's bedroom, but there's a problem. There's no characters on the set. In fact, they walk through the walls on the set. To correct this problem, we must rotate and reposition all the props on the blue screen set. There are over 20. We start by marking the beginning and end of the walk cycle with 2 crates. The first crate is position 1, and the last crate is set at the final position where the actors end their walk path. Then we save this under set dressings using the set dressings button. I named mine walk path. Now you can alt tab to the ECFM, Evil Child Furniture Movers. It has a blue screen on it. I click on the blue screen, I believe he means left click on the blue screen, load my custom blue screen set layout. The layout is scaled at 1 times the size. Here I've loaded the walk path into the ECFM. Now I've loaded on top of that my bedroom. I can now use the orbit tool and repositioning the recenter X and recenter Y keys to reposition all the props on the set where I believe they should be at. However, when I save and toggle back to the movies, you can still see that the actors are out of place. So I dropped 2 more crates off to mark the difference of their location. I dropped 2 more crates off at the other end to mark the difference of where they should be at. Next, I toggle back over to the ECFM. I take a look at the 2 crates and I see that there is a difference of 1.26, so I move the entire set over by that much. When we toggle back over to the movies, we see our actors are standing at the door at the correct position, but now a new problem has arisen. They walk through the bathroom wall. So my next step is to put down a crate where I want them to appear and another crate where they are ending up at. I toggle back over to the ECFM and check the orbit angle of each crate. The first one is at about 185 degrees out. The second one is at 155 degrees out. A difference of 30 degrees. I select everything on the set and orbit it 30 degrees. But then I must rotate all my props negative 30 degrees, meaning 360 minus 30 degrees is 330 degrees. When I go back in to the movies, I can see that the actors are walking across the set where I wanted them to, and all my props are angled properly so that the scene can be played out. That concludes this tutorial on how to use the ECFM.